Redu Sculpt 3-in-1 Body Sculptor, and on paper, this thing sounds like a total game changer. It promises to reduce cellulite, tighten up your skin, and even help with fat drainage using red light therapy and vacuum technology. Pretty bold claims, right? But the big question is, does it actually work, or is it just another overhyped beauty gadget? Let's break it down. So first off, I did a little digging. The website was registered back in 2023, which is a good sign. It's not one of those sketchy sites that just popped up yesterday, so that gives it some basic credibility. They also claim to have been featured in big-name outlets like Forbes and Elle. And while we always want to double-check that kind of stuff, even just seeing that on the site adds a bit of trust. Plus, the product is available on Amazon, and we love that because it means easier returns, real customer reviews, and a little extra peace of mind when buying. Another thing I liked? They actually showcase their social media presence on the website, and they're pretty active too. It's not just a ghost page with no updates, which tells me they're actually engaging with their community and not just disappearing after you buy. Now let's talk about the product itself. Redu Sculpt says it uses patented, science-backed, non-invasive technology, combining vacuum, sculpting, and red light therapy all in one device. That combo does sound legit, and it's a good sign when a brand highlights innovation and even mentions certifications. They also claim it's ranked #1 in body sculpting, which, okay, we'd love to see where that ranking came from, but it does show confidence in their product. As for reviews, they say over 1.5 million people trust them, and they do have lots of positive testimonials on their own site. But when I checked Trustpilot, they've only got 22 reviews with an average rating of 4.4 stars. So the rating is great, but the number of reviews is pretty low considering their big customer claims. Let's look at what some users are saying. One person shared that their retinol toner, sold by the same brand, helped improve creepy skin on their arms after just 4 weeks of using it nightly. Their skin felt firmer, smoother, and they even said it boosted their confidence. That's the kind of feedback we love to hear. But not everyone's sold. I found a few threads on Reddit where users weren't impressed. One person said they were returning the device because of poor quality and no response from customer service. They also came across reviews calling the product fake, and eventually decided to order a 40K cavitation machine from AliExpress, the kind med spas use, because they felt it offered better value and quality. So, is Redu Sculpt's 3-in-1 Body Sculptor worth it? Overall, the brand shows a lot of green flags. The site's not brand new, they've got Amazon listings, they're active on social media, and the tech they use is grounded in methods we've seen used professionally. But like with any beauty tech, results can vary, and there are a few concerns about product quality and customer service that are worth keeping in mind. If you're curious and want to give it a shot, go for a trusted platform like Amazon, where you've got more support if something goes wrong. Alright, that's it for today's review. If this helped you out, hit that like button, maybe share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more no-fluff product deep dives. And if you've tried Redu Sculpt yourself, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experience.